Let's clear up a common confusion. The term ADD is actually outdated. Today, it's all called ADHD with 3 presentations: predominantly inattentive, predominantly hyperactive impulsive, and combined. What we used to call ADD is now the inattentive type of ADHD. This change in terminology reflects our growing understanding that attention deficits and hyperactivity often co-occur and stem from the same neurological roots, even if they manifest differently in individual children. Here's a helpful analogy we use. Think raging bull versus drunken bull. Hyperactive kids are like raging bulls, constantly moving, loud, and impulsive. Inattentive kids, more like a drunken bull, spacey, forgetful, and disorganized. What's wild is how these patterns can evolve into one another over time. So what's really going on? At the core of both of these presentations lies a complex interplay of neurological factors that impact a child's ability to regulate attention, behavior, and emotions. The 3 key elements we find most often are subluxation and sympathetic dominance. This involves misalignments in tension and restriction of mobility within the neurospinal system. That interferes with how the brain and the body communicate. These physical disruptions, often stemming from birth trauma or early injuries, create noise in the nervous system. The second thing is nervous system dysregulation and dysautonomia, or imbalance. When subluxation persists, it throws the autonomic nervous system out of balance, often leaving children stuck in a heightened fight or flight response that makes calm and focus nearly impossible. The third thing is vagus nerve dysfunction. The vagus nerve is essential for activating the rest and regulate parasympathetic response. When it's not functioning properly, children struggle to regulate emotions, attention, and behavior. The good news? Our insight scans at our office can actually measure these patterns and help you find the root cause of your child's challenges.